Keblai pi barok syakatup Khubor jungi ke dbmnTv. Kimat bakong san menta ke sengi Shillong. Pelat upastori shan bok langi ke jingwai niam ke jingjop. Lit jingo usong kenor Thomas ye ke ying dor bar badangte. Mi madan gi kena skul banya kun ye ke jingpang TV. Bat kem ki BSF ye upwai basong dor kendai paulak tengkang. Bat mentangin pa syiki Khubor bakam benya. Upastor Yashan Boklang Rintathiang, Ubapit Yakabalang Ujisu Chris, Hariat Samthea, Hakakat Lai Terik Lber, Ulaplat Patba Yakatup Jingrai Niam, Balajer Kerteng Kajingjop, Shillong Press Club. Upastor Yashan Boklang, Ulay Thu Bayakini Katup Jingrai, Latho Duba Wan Prang Walang, Kabadon Kisur, Bat Kikintin Kibakit Jingmut Shisha, Yo Way Po Way Brio, Ubaim Hakani Kislaperthe, Banyakun Persha, Ikijing Penshoy, But Ikijing E Babun Jat, Bo Yakandu Hakajing M Jong U. Ulong ru bakampher haduk katnu ka khia bat ka kraw ka jingyale ha ka bakun ublay badon bor usaay ya ka jingjap ha ka jing emjong kibriu don kam ban yakun bat ban IT met bat mensim hakik sangti jong blay ha ka bakut ka jingjap da ka jingerap ublay kan long ka thong bat ka bainong ka bakraw tam ulong ha ka juk ka por kani ka thup jingrai kan ai bor ai mensim ye ka tu ki bayo sngo bat ngap yaki
Jikublai pi baro ki nangdo se Shillong ni na banya wan ban ban kendo bat pi nam ta ni jing pu jaka jipelat ya kene ka Khasi worship album ya ka ba worship ministry jaka balance Chris pasentia kala ben kre kala tho bat kala dap ya ka ban record ikini ki thup jirai ki ba long ki jirai jaka jimani ba ka jingaro ublay bah kisur jungi bah tiang jungi hibek tiang kasih jungi dia kerteng junga kadi Yashan Boklang Rintathiang bat syarai yang kebalang sekali support resentiang bat hari sini nyawan langkum kebalang ringkat bat kaji syakri jaga jimani bat jero ban seolang sya baroki para nongshong shnong jaga ni ka nongba ni Jylla jungi ba sungu ublay bala pala bala ai shingi ka jingla yang bangin penyang nu ini gisur ini jingruai ini bala tho ba ini ba ka jingpala ka chung lala ya ka ban ruai ki ni kong shwa ki balang ni jung ba ni la sung thu ba nomar kari ka ayom ku ublay ini jingruai hi ki long ki jingruai ki ba yes ki ba connect la ba nomo ni ki ba snow ba ka do no jung ki Breu jingi khamtam e nomar bakalong ki tin tan rai jingi esot rai jingi ban ki long sha ki jirai ki ba bala ni ba yin mani si shai brei da ka dono jingi baro a men sim bana ka ji sha te kum ta ni si da ka jingi man ba kraw ba balang skrista por sentia ni wa banya sang ba banya bentalang ba ki pan usong baro juga ni gari jingi ni jirai ki ngi ngi blame penon kam ban I men sim ban pen lu pen kelang ka dono ji brio da kata ka jimani boleh apa kilaban ma ka men sim da ka shisha ni kum ta ni sini ai ngo ba worship ministry jo ba la skres santia ka release ja ka album bani lai ka tengah ka jingjop ba kata ka long we ni ji wai ki berana ka album di ba kidan ki we ji wai ki ba ni le tho ba ki bu brio
Usong kenor bertemai ke Meghalaya Thomas E Sangma ulalit jengo haka khatlai terik ya ke ying dor bar badang teh mau diang bat ulalap beki jing tre ya ke ni ke ying kidang sakut bon renjan hadu kini kisngi nakidak kishin la ui bo niu nong yalam hun setia ya ke jing suki ke jing tre ya ke ni ke jaka ulai thu bo endang thau thamai biang ya ke high power committee ke ban pet ya ke ni ke jing tre ulai thu ru ba ya ke jing tre na ke benta ke tunum pelun empat menjur hadu menta Ulong ba unsa tho syake Indian Institute of Technology IIT Guwahati halor kani kamat. Ulong ru ba unsa khot iki officer rang ba katanat PWD building u contractor bat iki tu ki baron kti ha gajing trai ke ying dorbar ba kidai bantur syaprang ban pentre shat ya kani ke ying dorbar thawan ba kan dep no claim the pen slam show.
Myself and all the officers of from PWD and they are from contractor side also and from speaker's office also we have come here for the spot inspection of this assembly building which is being constructed and first and foremost thing is that the design for the dome structure, for the main hall, assembly hall, has not been approved yet. That's what we have come to know, and the decision that we have taken is that we will write to the IIT Guwahati to speed up or expedite the approval of the dome new design for the dome structure, and we will work on it, and we will also call the design associates which has prepared the master plan and the design for the entire building and the entire premises. So we will call them within this week, and we will take a decision further. So now these are the main things that we have decided, and also we have to reconstitute the high-powered committee for this completion of this assembly building. So these are the few decisions that we have taken today.
So how long is it going to take for the work to start in full swing?
That we can only come to know when finally the design associates, the contractors, and the executing agency, which is the PWD, state PWD, along with the contractors, I have asked them to sit together and decide what are the requirements, what are the further requirements here. Only after their meeting and sitting of the HPC, we will be able to understand. We will be able to give them the timeline actually.
Final question: so, what is the additional amount required for the construction of this?
That also we have not been able to come out with that, because only after the executing agencies, the PWDs, and the officials sit together and submit the proposals to us, then only we will be able to tell you how much more fund will be required to complete this project.
So who all the part of the meeting today, could you just tell us?
We have Chief Engineer from PWD Buildings and all their officers, SEs, Additional Chief, Executive Engineer, and Commissioner Secretary and secretaries from the and also from the construction site, the contractors are also there.
Now that you've taken over as Speaker, what will be your roles? What do you want to see?
As Chairman of the High Power Committee, heading this High Power Committee, I think it will be a big role for me to come out with some hard decisions and to ensure that this assembly building is completed within the stipulated time.
Banlat na kajing pangbambong kidukot met do jem tuberculosis, but bantip ikila jingada jing sumaria kani kajing pang ko office district tuberculosis riboy district kalapelong ye kajing yat pat pa jongki khna school, but kilong kami long pa balapanyat da Dr. E Kalwing na do office district transport shadu ko office district medical and health hanong po. Kikana school na St. Paul's High Secondary School, Alpha English High Secondary School, bat ka Oasis English Secondary School, ringkat kipat ba, kilayat ban hikay, ban pinkin mawi kipat ba, ban lek khut lek subah halaying lasem, ban bam kijing bam bataymet, ban wat kilak jingada, bat ban sumar klem sangye, ban lat na kani kijingpang bampong ye kidok jem. Ye kijingpang bampong ye kidok jem, la ban penkot da kebasuk lada kinong pang bat kibahing sem jeng kinong pang ki ko ngu bat di testa ki dawai kumbala hikai bat batha dek doktor ki bala pentebet ban sumar sukheria kani ke jajing pang.
Relative or your mother, anyone who's pregnant, and anyone who smokes and sit in the room, the child, the fetus itself had already developed kind of respiratory infection, which later on might lead to tuberculosis. And for this thing, we have so many prevention also that encourage all the pregnant women to go to the hospital to get immunized, because we have immunization also for tuberculosis. But those who are not, they are more prone to such a disease. Okay? And more, next thing is to maintain cleanliness. Everything at home, whether you're poor or you're rich, doesn't matter. but cleanliness meant for everyone. Okay? The cleanliness is very, very important at home first, then in a society, community, and as a whole for the country. So I believe and I thank you all for taking such a very enthusiastic participation to know about such diseases and to eradicate all one by one so that it won't hamper our economic, right? Our economy also will increase when we are all healthy. So with these few words, I thank you once again, and I believe that you go ahead and spread the news, the good news to your community. Thank you.
Kipulit yada kaput Border Security Force BSF kilayok kemye kekali kit kuai na kaput India Bangladesh hakathan umkyang. Kani kekali kawan na kasnong Kalain Kachar District bat kajing temu jong unongnya kalong ban penhap si Bangladesh. Uni ukwai usyongdor duna ya kandai paulak tingka kat kum kajing ken jong ki BSF. Lakem mador armut kibriu ki bana Karimganj bala IT kekali badi kibriu syakipulit jong ka umkyang police station. Kajing pet ngor jeng kisipai 172 Battalion BSF kila pin up shrip ya kini kekali kat bagadang ya cikijaka kaput haka kat arterik Lber haka than umkyang. Unong yalam bapau kemat caprang movement uba Michael Sim haka kat lai terik Lber ula kren hekilat pathai Khubor ha Shillong press ban bu kajing dawa haka sorkar Jylla halor kapang ban penlong anyo ya kajing ai benta kilong yeng long sem neutrap ya kayo kakon ha barok ki khon bekidon kenang ban kentiu ya kayo kakon kakamai kaji bat kakai pateng ha pedeng ki khon neutrap kat kum kajing ya chong kapor. La arpos ne minta kamat caprang movement kalamat pangbun kejing kentu bat jing dawa na kasorkar Jylla bat neki autonomous district council ban wanra deki an ki babiang ban yada bat ban kentiu ki pateng bandang wan jong kajat penriu neutrap. Day uni orang ba ubalay kun ban wanra ya ka right to information kejing itu kemat daka an ya ka syongka syongman ki ying kisem neutrap kumban jer kerteng kat tu kat ni teli kejingi i jengai jong uni unong yalam. Uba Michael Sim ulaong Datang kejing dawa baklan ki patba kani kejing dawa kan seurlong. Ulan nyautang bakadustur kumba kelong menta ka ai bentai ki nong mei nong pa bat iki kamai kaji jong ki kini ki kpa tang haki khun kenthei. Kat bai ki khun chinrang ki penmi thli nalaye. Uloong bakani kejing dawa kadon kam ye kejing mi patba ban pen urlong yaka. Kakamai kaji bat ki kam khai pateng kin klan bat kiu irat lada ki khun chinrang ru ki yo bentalang na kajing don jing em jong ki kimi ki kpa uloong. Ki khun chinrang uloong kim klan ki terpeng namar kim don bai seng baidang bantur syaki kam khai pateng. Namar kajing tulot kasdang nadu na laying kinong khai bar Jylla ki yo kabuksiar ban bat lakam mi ka khai pateng hapdeng kajat penriu nyau trep uloong.
Ngu jong ni ka an kalong ban pen klan ya ka khai pateng jong jai lebih jung. Ye bat ban klan ya ka khai pateng ni don kam baga government kan wanra amendment hak ni ka an of 1986 ba kumbuong mane bakan wanra bakan insert ya kan ketin equitable but ka ancestral property hak ni ka an. Ye mentang ila launch ni campaign ban lek si patba ban pan support ni patba di mentangin long no meeting bagi NGOs no mi NGOs but ni khot lang what if itu giba persya ai kena anu ya kena jing tunggu jungi kenang bang ila ban pensai ya ki beli bengi don kami kena ai di hakani meeting bangin khot meeting NGOs hadir ngin long si public meeting geleng-geleng di khot ban ngi aware namar nyo so badon ki ba ong ba kin persya ni kan ti rei babun na ki ti persya namar babun kim sutu di namar ba hakaje kendu jingi khamtam gi long kemi am babun na ki dangmut ba keni ka tin equitable kamut ikun ti yo mata ngi don laingut ikun ngi don kui ki umno ngi divide by 3 tingin nak batai kamut yu tu tin equitable sabun kan tiba kesan ban ngi ong ba ini tin equitable ru im khang la ya ka yeng na ri kwa ban ai khun ka du Kasong hajing start mi pa banai kumong mene yanu kan nu. Thai kun kan thai ben kong kala abyang na dong sedong. Kun baar kadang duna jing yo jikot. Ikan pe kan yang tu yanu banai kan nu. Ye di ta bagi.
Uba Preston Tinsong usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla haka khatlai tarik Lber ula kren da ke Bashai bakasnong mukro kadai ke jong ka Meghalaya. Kani ke jing pensyai jong ba Preston kalong halor ke jing kamtra jong Menteri Rangba ke Assam Manta Biswas Sarma ya kani ke snong. Uba Preston ulaong badang shen ula senrani Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma haka jing let jong ki Shanong ba New Delhi. Kilai kendo ia ke Menteri Pelapisa bat kelekular ban ai ke jingkershan pisa kumba Shillong barok kata. Uloong ba ke Jylla kam kerdo AA kumba kalong menta. Ulai tho ba kilai kendo ia ke Presiden, Vice President bat ia kiwe ki he ki han jong ke sarkar India.
It's very clear. Mukro is well within Meghalaya. It is very clear, and it is even till this moment under the position of Meghalaya. So it is very clear. Mukro is well within Meghalaya.
So when likely the government will reconstitute the regional committees to take forward the second phase of border?
Yeah, we will walk out because our priority is has to be initiated now. We have already made it very clear to the people of the state that the second phase of talk will start very soon, so we will walk it out accordingly.
Kaseng Confederation to Afri Boy Peoples haka khatlai tarik Lber kalajit ikinongkit kam batmai. U Presiden uba bandari Rinta Thiang bat sangut ki Vice President kenthop yu ba Karbius Lingdo ba Fairly Teron ban khmi ke Eastern Zone area ba Prangkopar Sotun ban khmi ke Central Zone ba Evanesar Shilla ban khmi ke Northern Zone ba uba Gershomhat ban khmi ke Western Zone. Ya ka kam General Secretary Lashimtiro Samla Marcus Makri, Assistant Secretary Morris Lingdo, Finance Secretary Shining Star Kintala, Assistant Finance Secretary Ivan Silyang, Publicity Secretary Roland Lingdo, lembat kiwe de ki dekot nongkit kam kaseng. Lepin skem ye kini kinongkit kam do uba Doris Sulen bat uba MDCM kinong ai but jongkani kaseng.
Dong tau nai mat lapan scam UP kan dong rasisya nam tak dunia gereja itu to become the same ki basakmat klet no ek beladam bat sim ni ganti utmai nadu kan si murder in sim ni kan kam kumu presiden banyalam ya baro ko ki praman bar na ta jong ko baro le sibunne nam ta jong big member baro ko klet na nyong perten baro ngala pule mene ya kan di sinti yang di marker yang ban ada ke sini hatlai terek ada ke jangan lapan scam UP kum di lokit kam ki bapura jangan ase
Bat dak itu ki Khubor ngilapoi syakabakut tat hadu pengindesem yang kublai shibon.